Spotting after exercise. Spotting after a strenuous exercise is usually not something serious or to worry about. The menstruation cycle for women normally occurs every 21 to 30 days. So, any bleeding or spotting after periods, or even before, is considered abnormal, and one gets worried about the same. Irregular periods have always been a problem or a matter of concern to many women. Now, many women face the problem of light spotting after exercise. Usually, this spotting is light brownish and not like the normal bleeding during full periods. Anything that is irregular definitely draws attention, but with this spotting, you don't have to worry much. Sometimes, the light spotting might seem like it happened due to exercise, but the actual cause could be different. Find out why does this happen, and what can be done to prevent it. Causes. Exercise normally affects the menstrual cycle and leads to irregularity. The whole thing is that the body tells you that you are asking for more than what your body can actually give. It's about pushing your body way too far with the strenuous exercises than it can actually sustain. Sometimes, exercise may seem like the cause to spotting, but more often than not, it is not the case. The reason could be pregnancy, mainly during the implantation process or the mid-cycle ovulation. It is also called implantation spotting. Now, another cause for this could be involving yourself in having sex the preceding day or changing your birth control pills. Exercise just strains your body system further, and hence spotting after exercise occurs. If you are going through a menopause phase, that is if you fall in the age group of 40 to 50, and are hitting the gym regularly or indulging yourself into any kind of strenuous physical activity, a little light spotting is bound to happen after the exercise regime. Another reason for this spotting is also hormonal imbalance. When you exercise, you put your body through vigorous activity, that leads to secretion of certain hormones, hence, causing hormonal imbalance, which leads to spotting. If you are suffering from any kind of infection in the cervix or vagina, then exercise just aggravates the whole thing, and you may experience light brown spotting after exercise. If you are engaged in some kind of strenuous physical activity when your periods are around the corner, spotting can occur. But there is not much you have to worry about it, as it is normal. Solution. It is time to relax or ease up your workouts a little bit, so that your body can sustain the amount of strain you are putting it through. Listen to your body and try to cut down on the intensity of your workouts. It may work for you and help you overcome the discomfort of spotting after exercises. In most of the cases, lessening your intensity of workout is the solution to the problem. You can also discuss the problem with your gym instructor, who will be in a better position to guide you through the exercises to be done and those to be avoided. Moreover, you can see an obstetrician and get a complete checkup done, since you do not want to run any risk. Abnormal bleeding can, in very rare cases, be signs of cancer, hypothyroidism, polycystic ovarian syndrome or endometriosis as well. Therefore, to be on the safer side and prevent further complications, just get an opinion from your gynecologist. Treatments for spotting may also consist of hormonal therapy, in order to correct the hormonal imbalance. In other cases, monitoring the problem and taking cautious steps to prevent the same is all that is required to do away with spotting after exercises. To conclude, spotting after exercise is not something to worry about, but it definitely is a signal your body gives to warn you that you are just straining it too much. So just sit back and relax, girl. Cut down on the intensity of your workouts, and you will be just fine.